going to be hard to top the memory of this one. It was out in the middle of a big plain, and we crawled on our hands and knees till our skin was worn thin. That was a lot of fun. We crawled, I don't know, 300-400 yards, give or take, till we were within about 180 yards, and had a nice shot on him. And I pulled it a little bit to the right, and we went into the bush. And with the help of Peter and Voter and Lucas, we tracked him. He was bleeding well, and we were able to follow up with a couple final shots, and the whole hunt was one to remember. I've never chased an animal through the bush before, but there's a first time for everything, and man, that was fun. It was really fun, and at the end of the day, we have a beautiful, beautiful Gemsbuck trophy. So thank you guys, thank you Motsomi. It's been a trip to remember, and one that my guess is will be impossible to beat. Thank you very much.